Hi everyone, Megan here from Experience Nissan, and I've got a 2020 Nissan Rogue SL Platinum behind me, and today we're going to take a look at how the ProPILOT works in our vehicles. So come on with me and let's check it out. Okay, let's take a look at the buttons we are going to need for ProPILOT first. So this button right here actually turns on your ProPILOT Assist. Once on, and once we're driving, we're going to hit the set. Set's going to activate the ProPILOT. This button here is used for the intelligent cruise control to keep the distance from you and the car in front of you. And then we have cancel, resume, or speed up, slow down, and then off as well. So let's check out and see how this works. Okay, now that we know what buttons to use, before we head out on the highway, I want to let you guys know that Nissan's ProPILOT Assist is a semi-autonomous driving system. It is not fully autonomous. That meaning you must keep your hands on the steering wheel at all times driving it. Okay guys, let's head out on the highway and see how to work this. Let's see how to use ProPILOT. To turn on the system, we're going to hit this blue button on the far right side. To activate the system, we're going to hit the set button. Once activated, your screen will show you a green line to the left and right of the car and a green steering wheel. That means ProPILOT Assist is now activated. To change your distance from the car in front of you, use this button here to change from 3 dash, 2 dashes, or 1 dash. ProPILOT also has a safety feature where if you do take your hands off the steering wheel, you will get a warning like that. If not put back on, then the system will deactivate. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on the ProPILOT Assist from Nissan. If you like what you see, guys, hit that subscribe button and you can stay up to date with all my videos.